On my way to go put a brand new septic tank in right now. The other one's all cracked and damaged. Okay, we got our septic tank marked out. There's our 50 foot from the well, rotting and caving in. So we're gonna suck this thing out, smash it up, and fill it in. Hey, little donkey. We're gonna shoot the top of the inlet pipe. That's the pipe that comes from the house. We're gonna add a 1/4 inch per foot, and since there's about 12 feet here, that's gonna be 3 inches. Then we need to add 56 inches to get to the bottom of our hole. Now let's go dig a hole. This dirt is so hard, we had to switch the bucket multiple times back and forth in order to break it up. Luckily, our pump truck is here, so we can get that septic tank pumped out and I can start smashing it in. Had a little bit of a valve malfunction, but in this case, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna be smashing that thing up to smithereens anyways. Gotta get a lot of the water out of there, and the rest is just gonna get smashed in and filled with dirt. Good shape. The septic tank has arrived, and man, that's a tight fit. When you dig the hole, you have to make sure it's completely level on the bottom because you don't want the tank to tilt from side to side or front to back. If that tank were to fall on that shed right there, it would completely crush it. It'd make for a great video, but it would be awful. So we're gonna get it all lined up right where I want it, and then we're gonna lower it down in the hole. And hopefully all the math that I did worked out. If you're off even by an inch, you can end up having the pipe from the house go uphill to the septic tank. So I check it with the level, and it's good from side to side. Check that side, front to back, side to side. Perfect fit, didn't have to change anything. I always like to double check my measurements, so I grab the laser and I shoot the pipe coming in and I shoot the inlet just to verify that everything's correct. Just got the septic tank in, now we got to put the dirt around it and shade it up. We got the septic tank in, we put the dirt around it, water settled it. Now we're gonna glue it up. We put a 2-way 4-inch clean out there. Have to knock this out right here in order to slide the SDR35. Knocked out the wrong one because I was holding my phone. Okay, so we got everything hooked up and the inspector signed off on it. We just ran this pipe from the septic tank into the existing leach line. I'm still water settling it right here. Got the new pipe coming in from the house, the clean out to the septic tank. Pretty simple. Now we get to backfill. Hey, it's Christopher with Simple Septic Secrets, and I'm coming to you from inside of a septic tank right now. Why I'm in a septic tank? Because I figured that would be the best place possible to tell you about my new guide that covers everything from how to take care of your septic tank, how to find your septic tank, when to pump it, how to negotiate different prices as far as real estate deals and more. So check out my free guide right now. Ah, shit!